Pritama and welcome back to my channel. So my birthday month has officially begun and there are quite some important events that are going to be happening. So I thought might as well vlog it for you guys. And starting off with today is Saraswati Poojo or Vasant Panchami as you know. And last year we could not celebrate it but this year we are. So I thought might as well vlog it for you guys. Right now it's 8:30 in the morning. I actually woke up pretty early because I'm excited to do all the work. I do need to get a lot done. I still need to shower and get ready. I have almost 1 hour in hand, so let's do that. This is what our idol looks like. Abhi right now the face is covered, but it's funny how there's Ranveer Singh and Amitabh Bachchan ka chehra on top of God. Hi guys, update after an hour. Right now it is 9:15 and I took a shower. I'm all ready. I'm wearing my outfit for the pujo and I also got my tilak done, so that's great. Abhi the pandit needs to come, so that's left. Filhal we're gonna go upstairs and help in the preps. Also guys, this is my outfit. I think it's very cool. Also, I've actually not eaten or drank anything since the morning, so I guess I'm fasting.
Hello sunshine, hello sky. Hello white clouds floating by. Hello cooling summer breeze coming whistling through the trees. Hello sand and hello seas. Hello positivity surrounding everything I see. Hello happy, hello free.
So got done with puja and now I'm actually running really late. Like it's over 11:30 right now and मेरा एक plan बना था to go out with my college friends. So clearly I need to get ready and wear a sari. So there's a lot on my plate. So let's just go. I am running super late. It's literally 12:40 right now. I was supposed to be at the location but अभी मैं घर से निकल रही हूँ. This is my sari, my outfit. I'm gonna just put an insert here. Yeah, bye. Let's just rush because I'm running really late. Also my hair is literally in a mess. I don't even know कि क्या किया है मैंने. Literally everyone on the road is wearing a Punjabi or a sari and that's so fun. Every year this time is just super fun and you get to see everyone wearing their traditionals. So that's really fun.
Hello you and hello me. Hello sunshine, hello sky.
Reached the South City Mall and it is super crowded and super windy, and right now I'm waiting for my friend Ishani to come and then we'll go to Quest Mall actually. But as you can see, literally everyone is wearing a sari and Punjabi and that's the best part about Saraswati Pooja. So got in the car with Ishani and now we'll be going to Quest Mall.
Hello white clouds floating by. Hello cooling summer breeze coming whistling through the trees.
We've reached Quest Mall. I think we are the first ones here, but there's a huge ass line over there, so we need to wait there and wait for our friends to come. It's just a very hectic situation. Our line ta dekhe bhuke beta gotche. Let's go and stand. Update after a really long time. We just came. We are sitting in the food court and there's a lot of noise. I'm sure you can't hear me. But abhi we just ordered food. Obviously Taco Bell, KFC or general thing. I can't live without KFC, so I'm having my chicken popcorn. Uske baad I'll order some. Uske baad I'll probably order some main course or something. Also our beautiful Megudi is over here. Hi. Say hi. আজকে আমাদেরকে রিতম দা এখানে বার্গার রিভিউ দেবে।
এটা হচ্ছে KFC বার্গার। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন একদম বিরিয়ানি নেই। এত দাম
150 টাকা।
150 টাকা।
দুধের মধ্যে
This was bubble tea, but now this is Bonvita.
Bonvita the complain. দুধের মধ্যে complain.
Hello sand and hello seas. Well, hello positivity surrounding everything I see. Hello happy.
Done with the day. Abhi we are getting out and super tired.
Hello free. Hello you and hello me. Oh yeah.
সবাইকে আইসক্রিম ট্রিট দিচ্ছে
Shani is so great,
so
man.
great, so we are so grateful lol
So thank you so much.
ওকেও দেখা
সবাইকেই দেখানি সবাইকে
I am
this is কি না মার পয়েন্ট কালেকশন ফর চ্যারিটি ওয়ার্ক
Day 2.
Hello guys, today is the I forgot the date. Hi guys, today is the 8th and today we are back at baking. Now if you watched my last year's birthday vlog, you know I tried so many times to bake a cake without an oven and failed miserably. So this year we are gonna again redeem ourselves. But this time I'm gonna cheat a little and I'm gonna be using a pre-made cake mix which is made for the pressure cooker and not the oven. Honestly, this is not as big as I thought it would be.
Hello, sunshine, hello, sky. Hello, white clouds floating by. Hello, cooling summer breeze coming whistling through the trees. Hello, sand and hello, sea.
So the cake has baked and it's apparently like been cooling for the last hour and this is what it looks like. Now I'll have to demold it and see if it's like a proper sponge cake or it's just a lump of boiled dough. Wow! Oh my guys! This looks so dope. It legit looks like a cake. It looks like cake and it's not as bad as a fail like last time. So I'm taking that as a win. Also, I made a little ganache type situation over here. So I think I'm gonna just slather it on top of this cake. I swear to God, if nothing works out, I'm just gonna be packaging this ganache and serving it. This is legit so tasty. Now we're gonna be cutting it. Guys, this is cake. Like no shit, this is cake. This legit is sponge. Wow, I did not expect that. It is cake, but it is very dense. But it's cake. Last time तो मतलब पूरा rubber ही था. It's a little dense, but it's cake. Last time मतलब जैसे rubber बना था, it's like better than that.
I like the taste, but there is some garbage with the texture.
I know. I'm बोलूँ it's a little dense, but it's definitely cake.
It's like मैदे का गोला.
I know. ये होगा ही because it's a shade do cake.
But I like the taste. Taste is really good.
Day 3.
Hey guys, today is the 12th of February and today we are going on a little road trip of sorts. So I thought might as well vlog it for you guys. So basically today we are going to be going to my dad's college, which is the Shipur B college, and after that we are going to be going for lunch. Right now it's 10:15 a.m. I like took a shower, did my skincare, but I do need to decide my outfit and my makeup, so that's left. And we're supposed to go out at 11:30, so like it's kind of a rush situation. So I'll update you guys as we go along.
Hello, positivity surrounding everything I see. Hello, happy, hello, free. Hello, you and hello, me.
Got done with my makeup. I know this is not my best work, looks kind of shabby, but I do need to get ready because super late as usual. So let's just turn into my outfit. And I'm ready. This is my outfit. It's like a short dress. I'm gonna insert a picture over here what I'm talking about. And right now I guess all of us are almost ready, so within like 5-10 minutes we'll be out.
Hello, sunshine, hello, sky. Hello, white clouds floating by. Hello, cooling summer breeze coming whistling through the trees.
So we reached the Shipur B college and right now we are going like to dad's 4th year wala hostel to see it out. It's kind of really fun and this area is so beautiful, like itne sare plants, it feels so fresh and like you know it's like a really nice place.
Hello, sand and hello, seas. Well, hello, positivity surrounding everything I see. Hello, happy, hello, free.
So right now we went to like dad's last room, 4th year wala. That was really great. Come in my vlog.
I feel so nostalgic right now.
I don't know, like it's a very nice place, but you don't have to feel nostalgic because you've never been here. It's the
No, but I
first time.
still like. I don't know. I feel something. I can't explain.
Yeah, I agree, but this is the first time we've been here and it is such a beautiful place. Like honestly, it puts like, I used to think my college was huge, it honestly puts that to shame.
Hello, you and hello, me. Oh, yeah.
Say hi to my vlog. Hi guys. So got done with the college tour and right now I'm really hungry. So we are going to eat. We are going to O Calcutta. It's like a Bengali restaurant. So we are going there. And also like a stupid person, I forgot that I brought sunglasses. Ek bhi picture I didn't click with the sunglasses. Filhal we're just going and I'm super tired. We are inside the restaurant and there's actually a lot of beer over here. I didn't expect that, but I think for record we are gonna take the buffet menu over here. So it's like $1,000, so I think that's like imperative.
Hello sunshine, hello sky. Hello white clouds floating by. Hello cooling summer breeze coming whistling through the trees. Hello sand and hello seas. Hello positivity surrounding everything I see. Hello happy, hello free.
Honestly, this fish fry is the best thing. It is hot, piping hot. It's literally piping hot. It's so delicious. So how do you like the food?
It's so busy eating. I just can't comment on the food.
Like we are Bengalis, but this is the best Bengali food I've had, and I don't even like Bengali food. Like seriously, that is saying something. So for the first time, we are going to be trying Nolen Gur and Rasgulla. I have 2 scoops over here. Bro, wow, मुझे भूख लगी है. You need to try this. This tastes legit like food. I don't like food, but this is very tasty. So lunch is officially done and it's actually sham. Too full, bro. Actually, we are really full. It's actually sham ka samay. It's like 4 o'clock, something like that. And right now we'll be going home. So I guess that's it for today. See, I have a few plans for a few more days, but I'll see if I vlog or not. But today was actually quite fun.